Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to open the hood on an Acura RDX. This is actually a 2021 Acura RDX, and it's fairly easy to open the hood, but the placement of the lever is a little bit hidden, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So you're going to walk around to the driver's side door, okay, and we're going to open up the driver's side door. And immediately when you look down, you don't see the lever. And this is where most people go wrong because they think it's not there. So they start looking around all around the car. But in reality, you just got to get right in there. Got to get right in there, down there. And if you look right there, it's nicely hidden. And when you think about it, you don't have to open your hood often. So it's good that they hid it here because you don't have to look at it until you actually really need it. So what you want to do is pull this towards the pedals, just like this, okay? And release it. And you probably heard that little sound. That was the hood popping. So if you walk over here, now the hood is unlatched. Now we have to actually open it up. There's going to be a little lever there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hand in there, and there's a lever right over here, sort of towards the, slightly towards the left of the center, okay? And I'm going to slide the lever to the right like this and pull the hood up like that. And it's on these hydraulics, so it opens up by itself. Now, like I said, this is a 2021 Acura RDX, so it might be slightly different if you have an older or a newer model, but it's probably going to be very, very similar. The main difference that you might find is that the location will probably be the same of the lever and the way to open it, but it might not be on hydraulics. You might have to prop it open with a hood, the hood prop that's underneath the hood. That's it. Yeah, that's how to open the hood on a Acura RDX. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.